So today we'll be talking about if-else condition. How are if-else conditions implemented in Java? So first let's start with if condition. Like if I have int number, it's equals to 10, and what I do is like if number is greater than 0, I do system out.println the number is greater. So if this number is greater than 0, this should be executed. This is the if condition. Let's just run it. Okay. So greater the number is greater than 0. And let me just show you one minus should be enough. Nothing more because this condition even became true. This condition is not true. That's why I don't. But because if I add else, I do smaller than 0. I don't know. Simple if else condition. These are mainly used when we want to check anything. Definitely. So let's just move forward and do it with if else if. If I want to check something for 2 or 3 conditions. So let's just take mainly of score percentage example 70. I write a condition if score is greater than equals to 80. System.out grade A. Then I do else if another condition. Then I do score is greater than equal to 70. And then I do grade B. And let's just start. 1 for 60, 1 for 50, 1 for 40. We do C, we do D, we do E. And at the end we do else, and in this we had fail. Right. So for 70 this should be printed, right? As expected. What do you think about it? Today, I'll just test it for 50. Okay, this is how it is done. Now there are nested if else conditions as well. Like, let's just take an example. Age 1. ऐसा कर देगा what we do is like age, check for age, and we also add a boolean for has license. That's the wrong spelling of license. This looks good. And if age is greater than 18, and I add another condition as license. So this is nested. In one if condition, there is another if condition inside that. Right. age. Or still, because I don't have equals to here. Can't write because the license is false. I don't know. Yes, you can write. So this is the nested. Nested. Yes, right. So this is if else, else if, and we have also covered nested. Now let's just move forward and use these with logical operators. Right. So to test it, we can just go with this one. Or let's just we will take an example of temperature. Temperature. So if temperature is greater than yeah, if it's greater than 40, it's very hot. Very hot. It's warm day. What we'll be doing, we'll be adding a condition if temperature is smaller than equals to 40. Let's just do, and we do and at. It should remember we talked about the operator. Temperature is greater than equals to 20 minutes warm, the else it is. So for 25, what do you think? 40, it's very right. And if I do 10 here, we'll be having cold. So this is if else conditions with logical operators. We can also have a logic of or, like if this is true, first one is true only, or second one is true, we should run it. And either we have these, if we use and, we have to check this condition and this condition, both should be true. But one thing you need to, yeah, let's talk about it later. And let's just do one if else condition with the string. If I do string color equals to red, and I write a condition using the functions of string which we have, equals red. It is red. So this should also work. And we can also do at we can check does this have this character or not, and then we print it. And we have different scenarios for it which we can use. We'll be using when we'll start web development. So let's just continue. We also have shorthand if and else conditions which we just can use in single line. This is how it is. Like if time is equal to 20. Yeah. And what I do is like a string result is equals to time as a smaller than 10. I can add this. I can put this. I don't have any bits. Bad thing. 2, result. So this should bad day. I just do 5, 5, uh, good good day. Good day is also good. Now moving forward for if else condition, let me just give you another example. Or let's just continue our loops. The next one.